Damn. My face look mush up. My hair looks crazy. Anyway, hey guys, it's your girl Chris Corio here. This is my first vlog as it relates to my physiotherapy internship, which is going on right now. I thought that, one great way of probably making the whole year run off quickly is to do something that I really do enjoy, which is making videos, sharing it with you guys on YouTube and getting your feedback, and of course, wherever possible, getting your encouragement, right? Y'all encourage me and I love that, right? So, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you'd have realized that I am currently a physiotherapy intern, right? Graduated in 2020, was supposed to start physiotherapy internship in 2020. But I didn't get to do it because of because of the pandemic, right? So because of the pandemic, a lot of that was delayed, and I personally delayed it as well to January. I got the option to start in November, but I said I not do it because I need to know when I do with this virus, because I don't want to come out on the road and everybody's all willy-nilly, the PPEs are not in order. I'm not saying that's what was happening, but I'm just saying I was just very hesitant, very, the whole chaos of social media, everybody being scared. So that was me. I was just really being overprotective of myself within, my own right. So I braved the storm and said, okay, you know what, I want to start January 4th, which was my first rotation. Started January 4th. I started doing medical rounds, that is cardiopulmonary rounds. So patients that I'd see would have like conditions like lung cancer. It varies. You'd see like patients with lung cancer, COPD, asthma, pneumonia is a huge one, whether hospital acquired or community acquired pneumonia. And then there's a lot of other ailments that these patients would come with. So like, it was new for me in that I had never done a placement in a cardiopulmonary or on a cardiopulmonary ward. I've always done like outpatient. So the physiotherapists that most persons are used to is what I've done. So orthopedic stuff like, you broke your foot some time ago and you need help with strengthening it. So I did mostly that sort of stuff. Now, as you guys know, we're still in a pandemic, and so the opportunity arose for me to become a part of the COVID team, which at the clinic that I work, or one of the COVID teams. There are more than one different teams. So for example, if we have 20 physiotherapists, you'd have like 5 persons to a team or 4 persons to a team, depending on how it is organized and who is available for working and so on. So I was invited to be a part of a 4-member team, and it wasn't mandatory for me as an intern. But I said, you know what, I want to do it because it's a great learning experience. Number one. And then the second thing is that it's for a good cause, because there is a shortage of healthcare practitioners right now. A lot of people don't realize this. Well, they probably know, but they don't care because they're not feeling it. They're not feeling the stress. But the healthcare system, and I can't speak for outside, I'm pretty sure outside as well, but in Jamaica, some of the more prominent hospitals, they are burdened by this whole pandemic right now. So I said, yeah, I'm an intern, but I got my experience on a cardiopulmonary ward, and I actually treated some patients who were post-COVID. So that was a big plus for me. I got vaccinated. I requested to be put on the urgent list for the vaccine when it came to Jamaica, which I got my vaccine on the 10th of March. Today is March 15th, my dad's birthday. So I got the vaccine, and did I have any poor reactions to it? We got the AstraZeneca vaccine in Jamaica. Any side effects? No. The most it was like a tenderness in the arm. And if I really press on it, I was doing some push-ups the other day, so I want to check it's not the push-ups. But yeah, if I really press in the area, I'll feel like a little teeny bit of tenderness. And then I had a little discomfort under the arm too. Like almost like a swollen lymph node, but it's not there anymore. It's gone now. But that's much like how I felt after I got my tetanus shot, after I got my polio vaccine, my hepatitis B 2 doses. I have another hepatitis B dose coming up in mid-year. So it just felt like a regular vaccine. Like the prick was, That's the scariest part, because like I literally started, I had to hold back tears with anticipation of pain. And the nurse, she was so gentle. Nurse Thomas, she was actually the first nurse to become vaccinated. So she did my injection for me, and it wasn't too bad. Like it stuck, she stuck me, and there was a little pinch, and then I was like, okay, it's over now. She actually had to tell me that it's over. Like I didn't know it was over. I was like, just turning my head because I did it on this arm. That's my left arm. Yeah, so anyway, I started COVID duty today. So we were a 4-member team, and we went on the wards, and I saw the COVID patients. Let me just give you a quick description of what they are, of who they are, and what the patient looks like in terms of, do you have COVID? So they are, quite a few of them are under severe respiratory distress. Now it varies from patient to patient. So for example, I saw a little boy who was just playing his game, quite happy. I saw another lady who was just like happy and sitting down, looking around, and everybody's in distress, like face mask, high flow nasal cannula, and some people are in severe distress. Okay, so if you're hearing a noise in the background, that's actually my pressure cooker. I'm pressuring some peas because I decided I want to cook for the rest of the week. Because you see, I'm a little tired right now, guys. I worked like half of the day, and I feel tired already, right? So anyway, yeah, so they pretty much, it's respiratory distress, shortness of breath. They can't breathe. Some of them can't breathe on their own. The persons who it is hitting really hard, though, is the people who are elderly, number one, people who are obese, people who have underlying issues, as you've heard in the media, hypertension, diabetes, and you know, the Jamaica, full of them have metabolic issues there, right? So those are the people who is really, really hitting hard and really need a lot of like oxygen support and stuff like that. So what did we do? We did, exercises with them as much as we could. Some of them can't help themselves, so we just have to passively move the limbs for them. We did different facilitatory techniques to help them to breathe, to do deep breathing and so on. And we're going to continue like this for an entire week, which is 7 days, from Monday today to Sunday. So I was extremely nervous. It was a nerve-wracking experience, because the thing is that you follow protocol. You are taught how to put on and take off, or otherwise known as donning and doffing the attire. But it's like, even when you do it the correct way and you have your supervisor watching you and helping you through, it's like you don't even know, you know what I mean? You just think to yourself, oh my goodness, oh God, did I fail at this? You know what I mean? It's like you can't help but feel like, oh, I must have missed something. But anyway, I'm going to continue tomorrow. I'm going to try to do a vlog post and update on how I'm feeling every single day. I'm extremely tired today. My blood pressure I think it was like 129/79. It's a little bit raised more than usual. My blood pressure is usually very low, like 101/77. The normal blood pressure is 120/80 for the normal person, right? But my own was a little bit high today. And then my temperature is about 36 degrees Celsius, which is pretty normal. And my oxygen stats were like 98. It varied between 98 and 96. I was just sitting down taking these things, right? So I just want to do a weekly check-in. Drop your comments below. Please motivate me, because I am extremely tired. The girl is really tired. I know this is for a good cause. I know it's a learning experience, but man, you see my eyes them? I'm actually gonna go to sleep in a bit after my food finish cooking. This pressure cooker is going on with a bag of things. Alright guys, later.